Today I'm going to show you the best lamb burger with homemade burger buns. The garlic sauce in this burger will give that extra taste. It's a little time taken recipe, but at the end you will enjoy the homemade delicious burger. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special lamb burger with garlic mayonnaise. First we will prepare dough for the burger. Take 120 ml of warm milk. To this milk add 20 grams of sugar and 5 grams of instant dry yeast. Mix and rest it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take all-purpose flour in a bowl. To this flour add 3 grams of salt and mix. Look, our yeast grows good. Now add the activated yeast milk to the flour and add 1 egg mixed to form a dough. If yeast doesn't form like this, then don't use that yeast. When the dough is ready, rest the dough for 15 minutes. This initial resting will make the dough softer and makes easy to work. After 15 minutes, take the dough and drop onto a working surface. Add 30 grams of unsalted butter and mix butter with the dough. Now catch the dough with one hand and with another hand press the dough and push forward. Like this, knead the dough for about 10 minutes. This process will give elastic consistency to the dough and helps in gluten formation. After 10 minutes of kneading, fold the dough into a round shape. Place it in a bowl, cover with stretch film and rest it for 1 hour. Until that, we'll prepare our lamb patties. Take 1 small onion and 1 green chili and cut into large pieces. Now take 250 grams of boneless lamb meat and 50 grams of lamb fat. Now with the help of sharp knife, start to make keema. The fat will make the lamb patties very juicy, so don't skip. The consistency should be like a grinded meat. You can use readily grinded meat from the market as well. Now drop the keema in a bowl. To this add salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix well. Now divide the mixture into 4 parts and make each part into a round, flat shape. Now place these keema patties on a parchment paper. After you have finished making all the patties, keep the patties in the freezer for about 1 hour. Until that, we'll prepare our burger buns. Take the dough, press to make the gas out. And now divide the dough into 5 equal parts. Here I'm making medium-sized burger buns. If you want large-size buns, you can cut the dough accordingly. Now fold the dough into round shape and place them on a baking tray lined with parchment. Remember, the dough balls should not have any cracks on the surface. Now cover it with damp cloth and rest it for 1 hour in room temperature. After 1 hour, break 1 egg. Mix well with a fork and apply gently on top of the buns. This egg wash will give good golden color to the burgers while baking. Now sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. After sprinkling sesame seeds, bake in preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. After 13 minutes, my burger buns are ready. Look at the color, how beautiful and golden. These burger buns are very soft and fluffy. You can make these burger buns without oven as well. You can check that video link from the description below. Now our burger buns are ready. We'll prepare our sauce for the burgers. Take 4 teaspoons of mayonnaise in a bowl. Here I'm using garlic mayonnaise. There are garlic and classic mayonnaise recipes in my channel. You can find them by the link in description below or by clicking from the end screens. Now to this mayonnaise, add 4 teaspoons of hanged yogurt or curd, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce. Mix well and keep aside. Now take the patties from the freezer and fry them on a pan on a medium flame without adding any oil. The fat in the meat is enough to cook the patties. You can fry the patties by covering with the lid or without covering. When the patty is cooked enough, place 1 cheese slice on the top. Cover and cook for about 30 seconds. That's it, our lamb patties are ready. Now we'll prepare our burger. Take the burger bun. Cut the bun into half horizontally. Apply 2 teaspoons of sauce which we prepared earlier. Place 1 lettuce leaf on top. Now, according to your taste, place 1 or 2 tomato slices. Here I'm adding 1 more cheese slice. You can add as per your taste. On top of this cheese, place fried lamb patty. On top of the patty, 1 or 2 onion slices. To make onion tastier, squeeze some lemon juice. 1 more lettuce leaf on top. And finally, 2 more teaspoons of sauce. At last, cover with another part of bun. That's it. Our juicy, creamy lamb burger with garlic mayonnaise is ready. This burger is so creamy and yummy, and definitely you will enjoy eating this lamb burger.